Pickup trucks might be the current best-selling vehicles for work and play, but they still cannot replace commercial panel vans that are driven by tradesmen of all sorts and local delivery businesses. Today we'd like to tackle the topic of the best vans currently on sale that someday can become an integral part of your enterprise as well. We'll be taking a look at the newly refreshed 2020 models as well as old-timers that demonstrate competitive specifications. Subscribe to Automotive Territory Daily News for all of your car content. Ring the notification bell and let's start the engines. Ford Transit. The Transit has been in production since 1965 and now occupies a well-deserved spot at the top of the segment, disregarding the steeper base price and limited warranty conditions. This hauler is available in cargo, passenger, and new crew van configuration that fits up to 5 people in 2 rows. The 2020 exterior upgrades include a convenient sliding door for the former 2 variants, while the whole range benefits from a refreshed lineup of engines. The base mill is a 3.5-liter naturally aspirated V6. Next up is a turbocharged 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6, and the European market gets a 2-liter EcoBlue diesel. The 2020 Transit gets optional all-wheel drive and benefits from the Ford Copilot 360 suite of driver assistance and safety tech, which is only rivaled by the package offered by the Mercedes Sprinter. Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. It may be hard to believe, but one of the most popular vans on the market has changed only 3 generations over its 25 years history. The most recent overhaul happened in 2019 when the model received its first front-wheel drive variant in history. In total, the Sprinter is now offered in 21 cargo and 10 passenger vans options, with the wheelbases ranging from 144 to 170 inches. The base models are fitted with a turbocharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder gasoline mill, but the maximum payload capacity of 6,735 pounds is a courtesy of a 3.0-liter V6 turbo diesel. To keep its leadership status in the segment, the 2020 Mercedes also adds plenty of optional active safety and driver assist features. Plus, it gets an all-electric version capable of covering up to 93 miles on a charge. PROMASTER. The FIAT DUCATO platform is shared across multiple brands all over the globe, but in the US, it is represented only by the PROMASTER. Currently a member of the Fiat Chrysler Alliance, RAM brand produces both cargo and passenger variants with low and high roof, as well as 3 wheelbase lengths, 118, 136, and 159 inches. The single powertrain option across all PROMASTERs is a front-wheel drive system and a 280 horsepower 3.6-liter Pentastar V6, coupled with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Though somewhat lacking in dynamics, it boasts highly competitive 4,550 pounds payload and 6,910 towing capacity. The RAM PROMASTER has the best-in-class standard height and width, 5.6 and 6.3 feet respectively, but sadly, it lacks on the technological and driver's assistance side. VW Crafter. Once a platform sibling of the Mercedes Sprinter, the Crafter has been a standalone model since entering its 2nd generation in 2017. The van gets 2 engine choices that net from 109 to 163 horses, but it also exists in the battery electric version that borrows stack from the e-Golf. It features a 136 HP motor and a 35.8 kWh battery with 95 miles of driving range. At this time, the Crafter is offered in 2 wheelbase lengths, 3 roof heights, and both cargo and passenger variants. Its maximum payload exceeds 6,600 pounds for the diesel van, while its top load volume is 650 cubic feet or 18.4 cubic meters. It must be mentioned that VW produces a stock version of a motorhome based on the Crafter, which is labeled Grand California. Which one of these vans is good enough to become a part of your commercial fleet? Review the entire lineup and share your preferences in the comment section. Like this episode and let's keep going! Nissan Cargo and VHD. Unlike the rest of the lineup, this Nissan is heavy-duty to the core, being built on a full-length, fully boxed frame. Additionally, it's brought to life by potent 261 HP 4-liter V6 and 375 HP 5.6-liter V8, mated to the rugged 5 and 7-speed automatic gearboxes respectively. This van is sold in standard and high roof configurations, as well as 2500 and 3500 models. Lacking in terms of cargo capacity that reaches 323 cubic feet, the Cargo and VHD can still accommodate 2 pallets and has spacious cabin, which acts as a comfortable mobile office on wheels. Additionally, it outshines more voluminous competitors in terms of maximum towing capacity, that reaches impressive 9,400 pounds. Finally, Nissan provides the best commercial warranty in America, 5 years or 100,000 miles bumper to bumper. Fiat Ducato. For 35 years, this van has been among the best-selling vehicles for business and camper conversions, and now it becomes even better equipped for the continuous European market domination. The new lineup of engines include a natural gas 3-liter and a whole squad of Euro 6 compliant multi-jet diesels, coupled with an all-new 9-speed transmission. These mills produce 120 through 178 horsepower and are characterized by high torque yields, incredible efficiency, and 4x4 capability on the 130+ horsepower models. Moreover, there is a new Ducato Electric on the assembly lines, offering up to 156 miles of emissionless driving. The 2020 version is equipped with the standard safety systems, Apple and Android compatibility. This Fiat has 600 cubic feet of cargo capacity and 4,840 pounds maximum payloads with no trade-offs in practicality. Finally, it must be mentioned that the panel van is also sold as rebadged Peugeot Boxer and Citroën Jumper, which in 2020 received electric versions and updates as well. Renault Master. Though facelifted for the 2020 model year, the Master van does not become unrecognizable, getting only slightly redesigned bumpers and headlamps optics. However, it is now more versatile, offering lots of body styles, including chassis-only, 17-passenger bus, or a cargo van with up to 600 cubic feet of load volume. A few things are happening on the powertrain front. The van is equipped with a new 2.3-liter Euro 6 compliant diesel that makes 178 horses and can be had in front, rear, or all-wheel drive configurations. In line with the van electrification tendency, there is also an all-electric option driven by a Zoe source system. In addition, the Master Z is also available with the industry's first hydrogen range extender that increases its range from 67 to 195 miles. IVECO Daily. One of the oldest models of the Italian Industrial Vehicles Corporation has finally undergone a planned update. Formerly staying in its current 6th generation, the 2020 model significantly differs from its previous year's siblings. The updated IVECO adds more efficient engines and new driver's assistance systems. Boasting a 10% improvement in fuel consumption and maintenance costs, the engine portfolio includes a 2.3-liter diesel ranging from 116 to 156 ponies and a 3-liter diesel or natural gas unit with horsepower ranging from 160 to 210. Most options get a variable geometry turbocharger and either a 6-speed manual or a Hymatic 8-speed automatic gearbox. Plus, there is also a daily electric model powered by a single electric motor and a 3-unit flexible battery pack, good for 124 miles. Among the standard goodies, expect electrically assisted power steering, 4 SRS airbags, and IVECO ESP9 safety package. MAN TG. The German MAN SE is a vehicles manufacturer with a 200-year-long history that is currently owned by a commercial vehicle subsidiary of the VW Group. For this reason, the brand's one and only light panel van is in essence a rebadged version of the VW's second-generation Crafter model. On the outside, the TGE is distinguished by a different grille and MAN badging, but it is often chosen over the VW sibling due to excellent after-sales service and warranty. The TGE is offered in 2 wheelbase lengths, 3 body lengths, and 3 roof heights, with cargo capacity varying from 350 to 650 cubic feet. The van comes powered by a 2-liter diesel with single or twin turbocharging, and naturally, it is also available as an electric model. Would you agree that today's pickup truck's domination is somewhat odd, given that panel vans can do the job much better in some situations? Which model is your top pick? Leave a comment below the video. Proceed to exploring 2020 and 2021 car lineups by following the links on the screen. Subscribe to Automotive Territory, ring the bell, and like this episode to help us grow. We'll see you later.